And what do turkeys say?
Meow.
Meow. Close enough. Meow, meow. Hi, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours.
Yeah.
We're here with George, and we just want to say a big happy Thanksgiving. We are taking the day off.
Exciting.
This is our Thanksgiving video, and we're spending our time with family and our loved ones, and we hope you guys are too. Okay, Daddy, what's your favorite thing about Thanksgiving?
My favorite thing is spending time with the family. Yes.
George, what is your favorite thing about Thanksgiving?
It's things around. There's bagels, everything. That's my favorite.
My favorite thing about Thanksgiving, I love Thanksgiving, the fact that there are no presents and that it's just a chill day and it's about food. And it does start off in America with the parade on TV in the morning.
It's me. I'm big too. Me too.
You're very big. There's the parade on TV, and it's just, it's a progressive day of eating.
I'm the closed Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday is on Thanksgiving?
It's closed on Taco
Yeah, no, because we don't do tacos on Thanksgiving.
Right. Will it be turkey Thursdays?
Thursdays are open, and Fridays are open, and Wednesdays are open. No Saturdays are open. Saturdays are not open.
Not open.
This could go on for a while.
It's open. One favorite thing about Thanksgiving, Megan?
What's your favorite thing about Thanksgiving,
My favorite
Megan?
thing about Thanksgiving? Probably eating stuffing.
Oh, that's a good one.
What's stuffing? Zoe, what's your favorite thing on Thanksgiving?
My favorite thing on Thanksgiving is pumpkin pie.
Do you love pumpkin
Oh
pie?
my school is about to make that! My school!
George, should we tell everybody Happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you. We're getting excited for Christmas time. Yay! Come here to me. Did you see this camera?
Oh.
Did you see it?
What's the camera?
Oh, Georgie Cam.
Hi.
Look up there and wave.
Hi.
That's awesome.